hands-on coordinator, Miss Angel. Please come here po.
Hello, Ma'am Angel. Actually, ayun, ang ganda.
Miss Angel, please come over. Gusto ko makilala ka nila kasi ang galing mo.
And my very beautiful and very hands-on coordinator, Miss Angel. Please come here po. Si Miss Angel po, she took the challenge of organizing this wedding for 3 weeks, less than 3 weeks, and we are more than satisfied. We are so happy. At first I was so anxious, but she was there all the way reassuring me that I just have to trust him. No, him, her, and most especially him, God, because she will make everything perfect for both of us. Si Miss Eliza, Miss ang dami nila but they are all very nice and they are all part of this special day of ours. Miriam. Thank you so much.
Ma'am Angel Guzman in front.
Mama.
And your entire team. You can go here. Ma'am Angel is the owner of Myriad Events. And she took care of everything in our wedding. Even if I am irate, knowing that I am an irate person, if I'm impatient, she took care of us. And please, your next wedding, book with her.
To Miss Angel, where's Miss Angel? Where are you? Yeah, thank you so much for everyone who's about to get married. I really recommend Miss Angel. Aalagaan niya kayo from the start to end. I guarantee you that.
Thank you, Miss Angel of Myriad Events, for that photo. Thank you po very much. Ayan.
Hello, Ma'am Angel. Actually, ayun, ang ganda. I thought, parang, teka, paano na kaya to? We're not expecting na magiging ganito. It is beyond what we are expecting. Thank you very much.
I want to extend my gratitude din po sa lahat ng suppliers namin, tulad nga ni Alan, kay Ma'am Angel and sa crew niya po.
Also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank also the head of Myriad or Myriad, Ma'am Angel de Guzman, for una talaga parang, 'di ba? Parang sa akin kasi parang gusto ko talaga ng parang intimate lang, parang 50 to 70 packs. Parang gusto ko ng simpleng wedding lang, tapos nung na-chat ko siya, sabi niya, ay, Gwen, suki niyo kami. Tapos, sabi ko kay Lord, baka hindi accidentally na nag-meet kami. Kaya sabi ko, saktong-sakto talaga si Ma'am na, si Ma'am yung dinala niya sa amin.
Miss Angel, sabi nga namin ni Miss Angel, ako yung pinakamahirap na akong kausapin because she will message me 10 times and I will reply once. And dapat kausapin niya ako if I reply. So Miss Angel, I'm sorry if I'm super busy all the time or sometimes I pretend to be busy. Kasi yung nga sinasabi, talaga ako namin feel tayo. The planning, the where do I shine the best?
When you grab!
When I cram. It's always at the 11th hour and alam ko for organizers or planners, that's the worst kind of planning. But si Miss Angel, she was able to adapt to my style.
Alam niyo po kung gaano kami ka-thankful. Matagal po namin pinagplanuhan 1 year. And very thankful kami ni Carbs. Dito po may special mention lang din po kami. Yung wedding coordinators po namin kay Ma'am Angelina de Guzman, ang may-ari ng Myriad Events po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo and sa inyo pong mga grupo, kay Miss Eliza de Guzman, Jingle Walitang.
Miss Angel, please come over. Gusto ko makilala ka nila kasi ang galing mo. Miss Angel de Guzman, thank you so much! Napakagaling na
event coordinator, Miss Angel of Myriad Weddings and Events. So, if you have events, come to her. She's from Girls High, batch 90.
Maraming salamat po sa wedding. Actually, natupad yung wedding namin na matagal-tagal na namin inasama. Even with the short period of time of preparation, tulungan kami ng
And then sobrang na-assign sa amin. Sa ako. Sa bride, coordinator ko sa bride.
very, very happy kami. Kasi pwede kami kasalunin. Sige. Pwede. Myriad ulit. Thank you very, very much. Myriad Events.
I'm Eric Diausen Pati, the head of Philippine Retirement Authority Department of Tourism. I always hold two big events, namely the July anniversary and the Yuletide celebration. The past 8 years, I always top the Myriad events for this event. All very successful, all smoothly done, and they're the best. Always Myriad, you're the best.
Hi po, thank you Myriad Events, especially to Ma'am Angel for making this happen.
Thank you rin po kasi kahit na ilang beses na nag-video, pa-abante o pa-layo yung event tayo kasal. At least na-iwan pa rin eh. Okay.
Okay na, okay.
Hello, good day. Chino here and we just celebrated our wedding day with the help of Myriad Events. So, thank you very much. We would like to thank Ma'am Angel and the whole team. Salamat for your help in the preparation. And of course, we do recommend in Myriad Events. So, yun, thank you. And hopefully marami pa kayong couples that matulungan to have a happy wedding. Thank you.